To take the risk, I'll lose the chance. For me, I've always been one who would rather take the risk than lose the opportunity that is in front of me. As an upcoming trader, I want to make sure that I do everything that is in my best interest to make sure I get to where I want to be in my trading career. There's many distractions around us, and as someone in my 20s, it is everywhere. Distractions is everywhere. And if you're in this position as me, you will understand parties, the girls, they're going out, just people wanting you to do this, do that. There's so much going on, but you got to stay focused. And even just your job is a massive distraction if you are in a job and you're trying to become a trader. But these are just things that are here to test us on our journey, which ultimately will make us into better people and just better traders, possibly. Because once we've overcome all of these hurdles that we're faced with, and we can truly focus on what matters eventually when things fall into place, then you'll have done everything you need to do. You'll know exactly what you're doing, and you can be more relaxed in the journey, basically. Now, as a trader, which I will be soon, I understand that there's a lot that goes into it, a lot of emotions. But this is the thing: you need to remove this side of trading, the emotions. Too many people get caught up in little bits of things, and I've lost a trade, I've lost two trades. Now, really, what does that matter? A lot of people won't even take a trade because they're scared of losing money. But the thing is, like I said, take the risk or lose the chance. The same applies in trading, because if you don't take the trade, then you'll never win or lose. So you've just got to take the trades. Fear is the biggest killer of dreams in any venture that you will go down in life. If you're scared to just take that bit of a chance to invest the money into something, put your money into a business idea, if you never do it, then how are you ever going to know? For me, it's always worth doing, because in my eyes, for example, investing into crypto, let's say, or a stock, for me, if I didn't invest into something and I had to watch that stock, for example, just keep going up and up and up, that is a bigger loss than if I invested a load of money into something and I lost it. Because at least if you invest into it, you tried. But if you didn't invest into it, then you didn't even try. And also, you've lost out even more, because you've seen something what could have been, which didn't end up being because you was too scared. So for me, it's always worth doing. Obviously, if there's a logical reason behind doing it, not just some ridiculous, meme coin crypto, that's not necessarily worth doing, which I have dabbled in. But this isn't the reason for the video. The reason for this video is Sunday. We have just over 3 months of the year left, a quarter of the year. Have you achieved anything which you set out to achieve at the beginning of the year? Many people set goals. I was going to do this, I'm going to do that this year. But ultimately, a lot of people still be in the same position. Now, I've been working hard on things, and I've been working a lot on my trading, which wasn't the initial plan of action at the beginning of the year. I was focusing on some other things. But yeah, I've only been doing my FTMO account now for 2 months. I just had a look. These last 2 weeks have been a bit crazy for me. It's been my birthday and some family stuff going on, and I've been on a couple of holidays, so that's just put things back a little bit. But now I've got a lot of time on my hands, so it's time to focus, time to dial in, time to get to where I want to be come January. So, are you going to do what is necessary to achieve what you want to achieve within these next 3 months coming into January? Are you going to be in the position? Are you going to let fear get in the way? These are all things you need to ask yourself. Because for me, it's scary, just staying in the same position all my life and taking risks. I don't want to be that person that lives the average life, which is fine. A lot of people love to do that. I know a lot of people are happy that have lived a life doing that. But for me, there's a great big world out there to see. People to meet, opportunities. You need to get out of your little small town that you're living in. Get out of your city. Get out of your parents' house. Move on. Experience things, because time goes fast. Time is going faster and faster. To make the choice. We're only one hard choice away from maybe something great in life. A lot of people are scared to make the decision, scared to take the chance, they're scared to press the button on a trade. But by doing this, you'll always just continue to be in the same position. So it's Sunday. We're going into a new week. Are you going to achieve what you want this week? I'm certainly going to be putting in the effort this week. I've got dreams, goals, things to do in life. I've got myself to make proud. Not particularly anyone else apart from my parents. So I can help them out in life through my hard work because they've helped me out. That's my reasons. Just to achieve freedom. Not necessarily, it's not even all about the money. It's just the freedom. Of course, that means earning money, but I've not got any kind of figures in my head. I just want to be a free man to just trade. Someone said in my comments, do you think you're going to achieve freedom by trading the 5-minute time frame? Well, what's your definition of freedom? Because if this is what I want to do, then this is my definition of freedom. I'm not a slave to the charts. Check the charts 3 times a day. You're trading the 5-minute time frame. You're going to be stuck on the charts. You don't even have a clue, do you, mate? So, So, yeah. Freedom on the horizon. Working hard. You should work hard. Don't be scared. Set out to do what you say you're going to do. And be a man of your word. It's possible. See you in the next video tomorrow. Hopefully some banging trades this week. Let's go.